coming from.
Hello, my name's Nick from JDL, and today we're going to teach you how to operate a ratchet strap, because many of you people have inquired about this and do have difficulties. Over here I've got my colleague Martin. Say hello.
Hi there.
Okay, and what we're going to do, as a demonstration, we're going to show you how to ratchet a wheelie bin to the side of this van. Okay, so initially the ratchet strap will be in two parts.
Part A, Part B.
Okay. Now, one thing that's important to remember is that you always tighten up the slack.
Strap it to the side, somewhere to hold on to.
And another thing, when you finish with your ratchet strap from the previous job, always roll it up, always take up the slack. It makes it much easier to work with for the future. Okay, now this is a part where people often go wrong, so it's always really important to remember to tighten up the slack first of all.
Yes or no, they did.
Okay, so what we're going to do, Martin's about to tie up the slack here.
Pull up all the slack. All the slack. Pull it through and tighten it up. There we go.
Okay, and now you ratchet up. Okay, there it is, all nice and secure. Now with the other length that you got left over, so nobody trips over it, you just normally wrap it round and perhaps tie a little loop in it to keep it out of the way. Is that what you do, Martin?
No, you should be able to slide it in here. There you go.
There you go. Less than 2 minutes, how to tie a ratchet strap. Thanks very much for watching, and look out for more videos from JDL.